What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. For sale is a lovely 3-bedroom house in the gated community gates of Edgehill, St. Mary. The house is priced at US 315,000 or Jamaican 48.7 million. Gates of Edgehill is nestled in the hill of Mango Valley Road, St. Mary, and just 15 minutes from the town of Ocho Rios. This house is being sold unfurnished and is on 6,824 square feet. It also has 3 beds and 2 baths with beautiful porcelain tile. This property has 24-hour security, clubhouse, fitness center, bar, infinity pool and grill. Now let's take a look at the house. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.